Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to quickly create a community post on your YouTube page. First you click on the camera icon there and you will click on post and you'll see this open up, and then you can type in anything you would like your followers to see, your subscribers to see. And you can also select a picture or a video from gallery right there. As you see, I'm selecting a photo. And then you quickly click on post. But first off, before you can access community posts, you will need to have at least 1,000 subscribers. Let me check it and show you. As you can see, it's right there.